If you would like to send some files to people and get a link expired after some point, there is a way you can do it, and that is what I want to show you in this short video. There are many reasons why you might want to get a link expired after some point. For example, if you are an information marketer and you send files to different people, you might want to limit the numbers of possible downloads per link. And to get that done, you need a special tool that will help you to encrypt the file so that the link will get expired at some point. In this video, I want to show you a powerful tool that can help you achieve just that. And the name of the tool is Firefox Send. So I will go ahead and enter the address in my browser, send.firefox.com. So on Firefox Send, I can upload a file as large as 1 GB. For me, I want to upload a very small file for the sake of this demonstration. And after the upload, I will go ahead and configure some settings, and I will copy the link and I will send it to people who I want to pass the link across to. So for this, I will go ahead and click on this and I will select the file. So I want to use this file for the sake of this demonstration. Now I've selected the file, I will click open. Now after clicking open, I have an option here for me to set when I want the link to expire. So I want to set this to after 1 download or after 5 minutes. That is fine. I will go ahead and click upload. And after clicking the upload, Firefox Send will automatically generate the link for me, and I can send the link to the buyer, and after 1 download or after 5 minutes, the link will get expired. So that link will not be used to download your file again, and that will definitely protect your file from being downloaded or from being circulated without your permission. That is how you can go ahead and create an encrypted link that will get expired after a certain time. So let's go ahead and test this. I copy the link, then I want to open another tab to see this. So I open another tab, I pasted the link. So this is the file. I can download the file, so I click on download. So after clicking on download, I want to go ahead and visit the link again. So I click on another tab and I paste the link and enter. Now you see, this link has expired. So you can use this opportunity to create a link that expires at a particular time. Thanks for watching the video, and bye for now.